put out a video every day of how people should be maintaining their homes. I think every service provider should put out content of how to people on Facebook of how not to have to use them.
Right.
I believe in that the most. I believe it the most. It's my #1 thesis. I believe in it.
And so,
do you know how many mechanics make money on something that you could have changed a spark plug for? I'll give you a person that would fall for it every time. I have no concept of how a car works. I'm completely baffled by the modern automobile. Just don't know. Give a fuck. I take no I love when people, like my buddies are like, you're not a man. I'm like, fuck you. I'm like, how much money do you have? What's the definition of a man? Cool, I don't know how to change my car. I'm like, I have enough money to have multiple people change it. I'll buy a new fucking car. Like, doesn't work, I'll buy a new one. Whatever. Like, everybody has their own skill, but I think you want to build trust.
right.
Hey, I talked to a roofer friend. I'm like, hey, you need to put out content every day of the stuff people should be doing to maintain their roof so they don't have to pay you $30,000 or $8,000, and they've been doing it and it's working.
And what platform would be best?
Facebook. Make content, run ads against people in the neighborhoods that you're trying to reach.
Okay.
It'll show up in their
feed. It's kind of foreign to me because you're telling me, but I've only done Facebook ads which translated into Instagram promotion.
Okay.
Is that what you're talking about, or are you
Nope.
talking about actual Facebook?
Facebook ads on Facebook where you know exactly what you're saying against who you're saying it to. Give me your best town.
My best town?
Yeah. That you do business in. That's the name of the town.
Granada Hills.
Great. You make a video. Hey, Granada Hills, it's me. I'm servicing a lot of you. I want to service less of you. Let me explain. So many of you are paying me $5,000, $10,000 to do X, but if you actually spend $130 a month doing this, less of you would need me. That is the single best thing you could ever do for your business. Guys, I learned this from Wine Library TV. This is horrible. Do not buy this. I'm selling it. People are watching like, what the fuck is this guy up to? I wasn't even sure. I just subconsciously knew that if I was good for the customer, that'd be good for me. It wasn't good for this. We were gonna have trouble selling this now. But in the macro, I was building a relationship.